In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Facebook ads credit coupon in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make sure you have everything you need to claim that credit. We'll start by heading over to the Facebook Ads Manager. Open your preferred web browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager. Click on the link to navigate directly to the Ads Manager homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a button that says Go to Ads Manager. Give that a click. It's worth mentioning that you'll need to be logged into your Facebook account for these steps to work. If you're not logged in already, the next page will prompt you to enter your email and password. Go ahead and fill those in with your login credentials. Now that you've entered your details, click on the Login button to access your Facebook Ads Manager account. After logging in, you'll find yourself in the Campaigns dashboard. This is the central hub where all your ad management happens. Don't get overwhelmed by all the options. We'll focus on one specific task today. Look for the option labelled Billing and Payments and give it a click. This will take you to a section where all your transactions are managed. Now, direct your attention to the Payment Settings tab. This is where you'll set up or modify your payment methods for running ads. Click on Payment Settings to proceed. In this section, you might notice various payment options already listed if you've run ads before. What we're interested in today is adding an ad credit. So look for the button that says Add Payment Method and click on it. A new window will pop up offering different types of payment methods. Among these options, select Add Credit. Choosing Add Credit is a great way to use coupons Facebook might offer for running ads. After selecting Add Credit, you'll need to click the Next button to proceed to the coupon input stage. Here you will be asked to enter your unique code. If you have received a coupon code, now is the time to use it. Carefully enter the code into the provided field. Make sure there are no typos, as incorrect codes won't be accepted. Once you have confirmed the code is correct, there is only one step left to complete the process. The final action is claiming your credit. Look for the Claim button and click on it. By doing this, you submit the coupon code and upon validation, the credit gets applied to your account. Success! You've now successfully added an ad credit coupon to your Facebook ads account. This credit can significantly offset the cost of your advertising campaigns. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep an eye out for any promo offers from Facebook to maximize your advertising budget. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.